Yeah, you picked it off. Good job. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. Today we're going to harvest our potatoes that are in our containers that we grew. So we're going to take you guys along with us to show you what we grew in our containers. There was a total of 5, but we harvested one a little early. We didn't do a video on that. I just wanted to peek. So, hey, it happens. You know, I always get super excited over anything I'm growing. Like that, what was that I picked too early before the wasabi radish? So we know how it can get. I guess the little one's a little excited to pick. She's trying to pick it off already. But these are the Hollis Littles, and they'll be harvesting our potatoes with us today. Mr. Hollis is over in the garden grabbing the rest of the containers. So we'll show you guys what we get. So as I showed you guys before, container gardening and also growing things in the ground. I like to do both. I prefer doing the potatoes in the bag because I'm not gonna just dig up my whole area. So yeah, we'll bring you guys on a journey with us. So actually, it turns out that there's it will only be 3 because one is not ready. It's still not ready. So let's see what we get out of our container.
Yay!
Dump it on out, Mr. Holloway.
Okay, I'll help. I'll help. Ah! Ah! A big lion wave. Wave. Ah! Are you gonna get all the dirt on my
Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I'll just bring it closer.
Ah!
Oh, these are the wrens. I'm just gonna bring it closer.
No! Don't pick up.
Yeah, she's picking them. Ooh, we're already seeing some.
Potatoes. I love red.
Oh, look at that.
Red.
That's dirt, Mama. Yeah. So grab the black bag over there and put them inside. We're not eating that, okay? We're not gonna eat that. No, it's gone. So this is the first bag. Put them inside the bag there. Get the potatoes, man. Yeah. Don't throw them in. Put them in there. It might be a bug. It's fine. They're inside this dirt here. Yeah, put it in the bag. Excuse my little one's hair.
I found another one.
Both of my little ones' hair. Yeah.
Found it.
Or it's wash day.
Oh,
You got it.
there's another one.
There's more.
More over here.
Nope. Don't eat that. Put it in the bag. Thank you.
Ah.
Here, put that in the bag. Where?
I got it.
Ooh,
Whoa. I found a small one.
it's really small.
There's another one.
Oh, look at that. That's a nice size. So is that one.
I found this one.
That's dirt.
They're lonely. As though we don't. Maybe get up.
It seems like it's a little more in there. This is the one that we just used mainly manure, it looks like, doesn't it?
More potato.
Oh, one fell behind you. Under. Am I getting?
Whoops.
That's it. I'm getting it. This is the first pack. Thank you.
Here, Dad found this one. It says
Oh, that's a nice sign.
This is the seed. One of the seeds.
Ah, that's the seed. One of the seed potatoes. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that one.
Mommy, this is a tiny one.
It's extra little.
Yeah, that's extra little. Look at the door.
Now this container bag is a 30 pound, 30 gallon, I mean, excuse me.
Found it.
Yeah, it's a 30 gallon container.
Oh, did it? Did it? I found it.
It's really
It's
small.
tiny.
It looks like there's one over there. Oh, look at that one. That's a nice sign.
RJ, pick
That's
up
a good sign.
potatoes.
Ooh,
Later.
that is nice.
Small potatoes.
Ooh, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Mommy has to cook it first. Go put it in the bag.
I found
Okay,
this.
give me your-
I found it.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're gonna fall, guys. Yep. So I'll just take it. Oh. Wait, let me get that.
No potatoes.
Look at that healthy soil.
No potatoes. They're gone.
All the bugs.
Never going to get bugs everywhere within. I don't see anything.
There's another one. You have some small ones. They had a decent size.
Oh.
Then I'll show you guys the bag. There's one there
I found
behind your
it.
forearm.
There it is. So this.
There's another one, okay?
Another one. Wow.
Well, that's dirt. Why you keep trying to eat?
I found that one. Oops.
I was trying to go new ones.
Oh, that's all one.
Hmm.
Probably could wait even longer.
Yeah, definitely.
How tiny that is.
But it
No
was super little.
potatoes.
We definitely probably
It's
could have waited a
fine.
little longer, but they were looking so,
That one's
You
so
got some.
tiny.
yeah, some were looking like that. And
Or
then
you
you
could
have
put carrot.
this healthy one. So it's been a while though. Use your hand.
more.
It might be.
There's no more. Well, there's healthy seeds and healthy roots.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, yes.
I see.
Don't eat the dirt. Thank you.
Uh-oh. What
Uh-oh.
you said uh-oh? Is it uh-oh, you just dropped something?
Nope, put it down. Thank you.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy.
Huh?
I never doubt the door.
Hmm?
I never doubt the door.
Yeah, it's in the dirt.
That's it.
Nope. We're not gonna eat the dirt.
You have to dig.
It looks like that might be it.
No, there's not going to be so digging so
Yep. Oh, shit.
All right, go get your shovels. So I'm gonna show you guys how many we got. I think this is about 2.5 pounds. Let's show you guys. Look at that. We have some big ones, medium, and small. So this is just the first 30 gallon, excuse me, bag. I think we only put like six or more sweet potatoes, something like that.
Yeah, get the potatoes. Put it in the bag.
And then there's another one as they're doing their cleanup. We're finding a little more. No skin has been taken off yet, which is good. And these, I purchased these from the store. I didn't really get a potato seeds. I just purchased them from my natural grocers and planted them because they were organic and on sale. Cheaper than the seedling. So,
I
hey,
found one, Mommy.
Oh, nice. It's really small. You put it in the dirt. You might grow some more. Yeah, go ahead. Nope, in the bag. So yeah, that's how many we got from the first bag. So let's see the other. All right, guys, we're gonna do our second bag.
Okay, let's get the second bag. Okay.
Get this.
Is it in the camera?
Okay, that's enough. We have to make the other one.
Can you go down anymore?
Okay,
I
put
don't
the
think.
tray. Okay,
I just
let's
have to.
do it. Do it. Yeah.
See.
Yeah. So I have, in my house, I knew. Hi.
Yeah.
I have.
Scoot back so we can get the potatoes. I just come closer. Come on. Okay, this is our second bag.
There's roots is growing through the bag.
No.
This is dry.
Yes, it is. Well, there's one that rolled away. So, is that a cross between yellow and red?
Yukon Reds.
That should be
Hey,
tasty.
what happened?
I think this one was ready.
It wasn't?
This one ready.
Huh? We'll dump it back in and
I found this one.
yeah, there's one. See, some are green and some are like dead, the stems. So that's why we're gonna harvest, but we'll just leave it be for now.
You could just use these as seed potatoes.
Oh, we could, huh? Yeah, because it's kind of hard to put it back.
Yeah.
Okay. If they're going for it, yeah. So we're going to use those as seed potatoes. Grab the potatoes, guys. Oh, that's a big one there. Well, that's ready.
Ew.
Oh, okay.
Mommy,
So what kind of potatoes is
Right.
Mommy,
Yukon
this
Red.
is a huge
Yukon
one.
Reds.
Mommy, this is a huge one.
It is.
Mommy, put
Seriously?
it in a big bag.
No, put it in the bag over there. By Dada. Get the bag. Rhea? Oh,
That's a huge potato.
where'd you put it? Get it back out.
You put it in this bag.
Put it in that bag.
Place it in there. Don't drop it.
You have to put it down gently. Don't throw it.
You got these over here.
Mommy,
Yeah.
get it out.
Oh, look at that. And then, yeah, these are the ones that weren't ready. And look at that. Yeah. Put it in the bag.
So where's my potato?
You have to get them. It's a big one there.
Oh, this is a big
Yeah, it
one.
is.
Too.
These are a good size.
Yellow.
Good job.
Oh. Let's see. And another yellow. Please.
The fun of harvesting with children.
No.
Yeah. You have to put it in, place it in, don't throw it, or you're going to break the skin.
Well, it's going to be cooked potatoes. French fries.
And over there.
Like that.
That's a seed potato?
Yeah, or one that rotted.
Potato.
No.
Ugh.
Oh.
I found this one.
One that rotted or
I
something.
found this one. This one has dots.
But it wasn't doing anything, was it?
Hmm?
Wasn't doing anything, though, was it? Yeah. Over there.
small potatoes.
Place it in. Don't throw it. Good job, bud.
There's more potatoes over
Yeah.
here. I can dig, but I can't see them. Whoops. Found one. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm done. Gentle.
Did you get something in your eye? It's in your hair. It's wash day for real for your hair, huh?
What do you say? Oops. Oh, this is a super tiny one.
It is. Put that in there.
Put that in there. Okay. See that? I got one potato. In a root. And I found this one is digging. And this one is digging.
Oh, there's a good one at the bottom of what's still attached.
Ooh. There's a lot
Yeah,
of
there's some in that
potatoes.
whole thing. Put that one in here.
Put that one in.
Yeah, there's one attached to that still. Say, wait, my hair. Say, I know it's wash day, but wait.
Okay. Have to wait till it grows it out. Good.
So we're gonna see what's in the third bag and see what we get yield from that one. I'm gonna show you guys what we get. So that's not it. Oh, this one seems to be a bigger yield. Kind of. The seed potatoes already poking out. Or radish.
Oh, we got a bunch of rotted potatoes.
Yeah. Oh. Probably from all that water from your neighbor. Ooh, are you stuck? You guys, come get the potatoes. Come get the potatoes. Yeah, put it in the bag. Did you see that? Was that in the...
What's that? What's
That's a
that?
spider, but that is not what we're talking about. So
Look at
look at that.
Ah!
Look at that. We're definitely getting rid of those.
What are those?
We're definitely getting rid of those.
Ah!
This is another thing that you can find. End up finding in your bags. No. Stop. Stop. The mama ran out of the bag. They were just living in the bag. And she had babies.
What are those, Mommy?
Let me show you up close. Look at that. Terrible.
What are those?
Those can be in your containers. We have...
What do you think? These chickens eat these?
They would probably.
Let's see.
We'll give it to them and see. Let's go find out. I guess you guys can see how big the chicks have gotten too since the last time you've seen them.
Yeah, who's going there? Who's going there?
They're so big now. That's Nosy and Sneaky and Dopey. They wanted some grass. Come on, Ren. Let's see
What?
if they'll eat them. I didn't get that.
It's a baby.
Come on, guys. That was crazy. Let's see. They're like now. Oh, nosy. Oh, oh yeah. Are they? Nope. Yeah.
Let me see.
Mm. Let's find out. Oh yeah. Yep. And no, this isn't cruel. It shouldn't be in my garden. And I'm just feeding my chicks. Your baby's in there. So hey, that's what happens when you mess with the Hollis Urban Garden. Okay? Ah, my goodness. Look at the nose. I mean, sneaky.
Dopey.
Oh, it's dopey. Okay. So yeah, as you guys can see, they've gotten pretty big. And what else can come out of a container garden? My goodness. A 30-gallon container garden.
No potatoes in it.
Yeah, no potatoes out of there. We're not. We're good on that. So we only have 2. And I can show you guys the bags again to show you what we got out of it. So guys, I as you've seen, we only did 2 bags, and what we got from our harvest of potatoes. Stop.
Mommy, what's that?
And what can come with containers, because it's a field in the back. So, well, this used to be, what was it, a landfill? Yeah. So, whew, whew, that's what happened. Thank you.
I think all this was
Yeah, that's what your neighbor said. So, thanks for stopping by the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. If you have any comments or anything like that, leave them down below. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.